So once again moving to another question of definite integral. See, this question is important for me because of a trick. There's a very important trick here which we should know. It's more a question of indefinite integration than a question of definite integration. And again I am repeating, my purpose of sharing this question with you people is to know a trick here. See, I will say let this instead of 2021, you can have any number there. So let in be, so let's remove 0 to pi. So it's sine of nx by sine x dx. Okay, let's start for any natural number n here. Now the trick is consider in minus 2 at the same time. So it will be sine of n minus 2 times x upon sine x with respect to x, and then subtract them, bacho. Now I will say just write, and you will come to know why are we doing it. in minus 2. So write it. So it's sine x in the denominator. Of course it's common in both the integral. So you have sine of nx minus sine of n minus 2 times x with respect to x. So sine a minus sine b, how much is it? So therefore we will say in minus 2. So it's 2 times sine x in the denominator, of course. So sine a minus sine b. So 2 cos, how much will it be? A plus b by 2. So 2n minus 1. So it's cos of n minus 1 times x and a minus b by 2, and see, there is the point. Now you got rid of it. We got rid of sine x. So now if we have to integrate it definitely, or we have to move forward towards definite integration, so I will write it as, of course this is 2 times 0 to pi cos of n minus 1x dx, and what? See, now it's done because the integral of cos of t is sine t. Okay, so you will be writing it as 2 over c, and since the variable of the integral is being multiplied by a constant n minus 1, that will appear outside as product in the denominator. Okay, and then it's sine of n minus 1 times x 0 to pi, and we know sine of any multiple of pi is 0. So that's 0. So what do we get here? So therefore we got in is equal to in minus 2 for any natural number, be it an odd number, be it an even number. So therefore can't we write? See, if this would have been like 2021, and that's what we need. So this is nothing but 2019, which is on the other side. You go on like reducing it, using this result every time, and you go on writing it till you get I1. Now, so that means I 2021 is equal to I1, and which is 0 to pi, n is 1, so sin x by sin x with respect to x, and this is nothing but pi. So the answer should be pi. But on the other hand, if we would have been asked about I 2000, any even number, so then you would have said it's I 2018 is equal to I 1998, I'm sorry, is equal to I 1996 is equal to I0, which would have been 0 in that case. That would have been 0 in that case, bachcho. Okay? So since the question was for odd and as an odd integer, odd natural number, so we got pi as the answer. So that's a very special trick which I will of course now expect you people to remember till your examination here. So that's why I picked up this question for you people, bachcho.